My social feed. All my friends and all their information, I can interact and respond in minutes. It's changed the way we interact with our friends. My news feed. All the news in the world streamed right to me. It's changed the way we consume news as people. If feeds can change the way we interact with our friends, the way we consume information in the world and connect with people, why can't it do the same things with businesses and their customers? I'm Matt Gillen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Relay Network, and we invented the customer feed. And it's a key element of the Relay platform, and it's completely different. First, every customer gets one. Literally, the feed comes with your product. Second, it's built just for them. A private, secure, one-to-one interactive feed just to the individual. And third, it guides them through the experiences, the interactive experiences that have the most impact on two things: customer lifetime value and customer satisfaction. That makes all the difference. So, when you don't just take my word for it, we have 50 clients today and 15 million consumers growing at 1 million customer feeds a month already using our product. So let's take a look at my feed. This is my feed with my bank, OneTrust Bank. First thing you're going to notice is that it's personal, it's just for me. All of the communications are just for me, guiding me through my lifetime journey with this bank. The second thing you're going to notice is that it's a full history of every interaction I've had digitally with this bank since I opened that account. And third and most important, take a close look and take a look at some of these messages, and you'll notice that every single one of them is interactive, guiding me through an experience. These are not notifications, and these are not just mere messages. They guide you through the things that matter most. Who here has ever had an application process where people fall off in the process, where they maybe don't have the cosigner, or you're trying to get them to cross-sell a product right at the right time, but you can't reach them? This changes everything. So you might be asking yourselves, why do we need another tool? I know. You've invested millions in CRMs, apps, portals, and data. Why do you need another tool? And the answer is simple. We're going to solve your two biggest problems: adoption and engagement. And if we're being honest, you know we still have them. Relay is going to solve those problems. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to do two things. First, I'm going to show you how you can get 80% of your customers on a customer feed. And second, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up these experiences and deliver them out to your customers. So let's get started. Here you take a look at an application process, an online application. What's really cool about this is we leverage our invitation platform rather than an enrollment, where you can see you can use the very data that you entered to complete the application, and when you click submit, it automatically takes that data, establishes a feed, and pushes it right out to your phone. Within minutes of pressing submit, you get a text message, you click on the link, and now you're connected to your feed. Imagine the difference when you have a personal one-to-one connection. Can you see how incredible it is to have a personal, private, secure feed with every customer at the point of inception? Think of the things you can do. Things such as onboarding. Here we're taking a look at a welcome kit. Now, I walk out of a branch, or I fill out an application, here comes my welcome kit, designed to get me to do the things that you want me to do. Enroll in my online, go paperless, mobile banking, and more. Here's an example of direct deposit. So one of the key challenges that businesses have is they've established the account, how do we get the funds in? Direct deposit is one way to do that, and it guides you through the whole process, literally, that you can print it and hand it to your employer. It's an incredible, incredible experience, and it absolutely results in more deposits. Okay. When you take a look at this, you'll also know that the known connection here, literally it comes with the product. So that, let's move on. The best part of this, if you think about it, is that it's easy to build these experiences. So I've shown you the feed. Let me show you the CX Builder. This is going to blow you away. I'm going to introduce Bree. Bree is with the OneTrust Bank customer experience team, and she's going to guide us through how to build these experiences.
Great. So here I am logged into my CX Builder. And you'll notice that on the left, I have my experience builder, my data, and all of my settings. We're going to focus on the experience builder section today. Here's that new customer onboarding experience you just saw. In one click, I can now see all of the components within that experience laid out for me. Today, I want to edit this message here, so let's dig right in. Where other platforms use squares and stars and triangles to represent the user experience, RelayCX Builder brings the user experience and the workflow together in one beautiful, easy to understand canvas. This is showing me all of the components and designing it as I go. I'm going to edit this message here based on some feedback I got from my team. Pay attention to this live preview over here on the left. Watch how this is making my changes in real time as I go. This makes my life infinitely easier. I want to brand this message. It's a first 30-day follow-up. I'm going to have it come from a customer service representative for a more personal touch. In just a few clicks, I can now brand that message. You'll see your specialist, Lauren, over here. I can include some visuals, videos, images. I can edit the contents of that message to include dynamic data. I can even adjust some of the calls to action right here. And watch how when I make those changes, that's tracking right over here in real time. So I can see what that experience truly looks like for the end user. I can now save that message and go back and see that experience represented right here within the full context of the user flow. And because we know that every experience you create requires multiple sign-offs, I can also preview that message to make that process easier.
Bree just completed in 60 seconds an experience down to the individual.